Good morning, kids. How are you today? Do you know what day of the week is today? I guess that it's your favorite day of the week. So, let's see. Do you think it's Monday? No, right? Do you think it's... What day comes after Monday? Tuesday? Is it Wednesday? I don't think so. Is it Thursday? No, that was yesterday. So what day is it today? Very good. Today is Friday. Do we have school tomorrow? No, we don't have school. So you have all the weekend to enjoy at the swimming pool or wherever you want to go. Okay? Now, let's see. We said it was Friday. But what date? For that, we need to get out. What do we need to get out? Very good. The calendar. So, let's see. Today is Friday. If yesterday was the 4th, today is the... What number comes after number 4? Very good. Number 5. So today is the 5th. It's Friday. The 5th of what month? Do you remember? Is it December? No, it's getting hot. So what month is it today? Now. Very good. June. Excellent. So let's write it. It's Friday, the 5th of June of what year? Very good. 2020. Excellent. So now that we know the date, we are going to sing the weather song. Are you ready to tell me what's the weather like today? But first, let's sing. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather like today? Like today. Like today. What's the weather like today? Today is... You've got to tell me whether it's sunny, whether it's windy, whether it's cloudy, or whether it's... Very good, rainy. What's the weather like today? And you've got to tell me and write on a piece of paper. Today is cloudy. Today is sunny. Today is windy. Or today is rainy. You decide, depending on what's the weather like today. And once you write it, first you need to get a piece of paper and write it, okay? And when you finish writing it, we are gonna look at the numbers, but not 1 to 20 anymore. Now, like always now, it's gonna be 1 to 100. We've got to count, okay? Are you ready for the song? Let's go.
Let's count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you ready? Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won! Yay! 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won!
Okie dokie. So now that we sang the song and we recall the numbers, I am gonna try and teach you some words that you've got in the activities that you have to do today that perhaps you don't remember or you don't know. One of them we did it in class, but a long time ago. There are many that are easy, but there are 3 that are a little bit more difficult. So I'm gonna try and explain them to you with pictures so that you understand, okay? So number 1 is the easiest. Do you know what is a van? Do you remember the song from Jolie Phonics that Vic drove in his van? Very good. It's this thing over here. It's a little bit bigger than a car, okay? That there is a van, okay? Now, the next one that I'm gonna explain is a tent. Do you know what's a tent? You write it like that. and we use it when we go camping. Do you know what it is? Very good. It's that picture over there. We use it to sleep when we go camping. Very good. And then the last one that I'm going to explain you is pen. Do you know what's a pen? I give you a clue. You use it to write. But when you're older and you don't make as many mistakes because it's not as easy to erase as a pencil. With the pencil, we get a rubber and we erase it. But with the pen, it has ink. So we can't erase it that easily. Do you know what it is? Very good. It's that over there. That over there is a pen. Later, you're going to need this vocab to do the activities. And you're also going to need plasticine, I anticipate, okay? Okie dokie. Now that we reviewed that, we are going to look at 3D shapes. Do you know what are 3D shapes? There are those shapes that you can see them bigger, so you don't write them on a piece of paper, but you can see them. For example, this that Miss Anna has over here is a 3D shape. And do you know the name of this? This is a sphere. It's not a circle anymore, that was flat. Now it's 3D. This is called a sphere. Very good. Now I'm gonna put up pictures of, for example, a cube. Do you know what's a cube? I give you a clue. A box that you may find in your house, it's a cube. Very good. It's this picture over there. That is a cube, and look how you write it. It's difficult. Now, do you know what's this one is easy. You can find them in Egypt, and they're like this. Do you know what it is? Look, I show you the picture. We call it a pyramid. We call it pyramid. And look the spelling, it's really difficult. Pyramid. And the last one that I'm going to tell you is a cone, that it's like a triangle, but in 3D. Look, this picture over there is a cone, and look how you write it. K-O-N, and the magic E, okay? Those ones as well, you're going to need them, and later you're going to have to find around your house these shapes. For example, this is a sphere that Miss Anna had in her house. Okay, but you're gonna have to find the rest of the shapes as well and send a picture to me. So now that I told you everything, we're gonna have a look at the activities. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Okay, so today, Friday the 5th of June, let's see what we're gonna do. First, you've got to get plasticine and then trace the words on top of the letters with plasticine, like you've got on the picture, okay? So here it says van. So you have to trace it with plasticine, the V, the A, and the N. And then you have to draw a van over here. Here, what does it say? Excellent. Box. Box. So first you trace it with plasticine and then you draw a box over there. Then what does it say here? Hat. Very good. Hat. So you have to trace it with plasticine and draw a hat over there, okay? Then let's see, what does it say here? It says tent. Very good. Tent. So you have to trace it with plasticine and then draw a tent. When we go camping, we use a tent. Now, next one. It says P-P-E-N. What's a pen? Very good. What you can use to write. Probably mommy and daddy uses it to write, okay? It has ink and you can't erase it. It's not like the pencil. Now, what does it say here? Which animal is this? Ant. Very good. A really small black animal. So you have to draw it in the circle. Oh, sorry, Miss Anna, on the square, okay? Now here, this is a dog. Very good, excellent. So we have to draw a dog over there inside the square. And finally, cat. So you have to draw it here. It's easy, right? You only have to read, draw, color, and then trace the letters with plasticine, okay? And later, we are gonna listen to a song about 3D 3D shapes. Look, these ones over here that they are big are 3D shapes. Do you want to know which ones are they? Let's listen to the song then. You have it on the description, okay? It is important that you listen to it so that you learn them. And when you finish listening to them, you can tell me, what is this? In English, it's called a cylinder. Cylinder. Which one is this? It says it over here. Very good. It's a cube. Cube. And this one here, what is it? It's a prism, but it's a rectangular one, okay? It's like a rectangle. Then this one here, in English, we call it a sphere. So, for example, the football ball, it's a sphere, okay? Then this one here, like in Egypt or in Mexico, it's a pyramid. Pyramid, we call it a pyramid. And then finally this one here, that in construction men use, it's called a cone. Cone, we call it a cone, okay? Now, you have to create your own dice, okay? I sent the template on the PDF. So you have to get the PDF, you have to cut it, and then stick it, and you've got your emotions dice. You throw it, and you tell me what emotion you got. For example, happy, scared, confused, that you don't know what's happening, bored, when you don't like an activity, excited, or embarrassed. Embarrassed is when you are shy, when your cheeks go red. Then you feel embarrassed. Embarrassed. So you can create your dice. You have to put glue over here. For this activity, maybe mommy or daddy or your brothers can help you, okay? And then you've got the dice that it's a, which shape is it, do you think? Let's see. Do you think it's a cylinder, a cube, a rectangular prism, a sphere, a pyramid, or a cone? Which shape do you think it is? Very good, it's a cube, like the dice that you use to play, I don't know, what do you play? La oca, for example, okay? Now, when you finish that, and again, when you go out for a walk with mom or dad or your brothers and sisters today, you have to take this worksheet, this piece of paper that it's also on the PDF that I sent mom and dad, and you have got to find things on the street that have the shape of a cone, a cube, a cylinder, or a rectangular prism, okay? Are you ready for that? Later, when you finish, you take a picture of them and you also can send them to Miss Anna, okay? So that's all for the week. It was an intense week, but now you're gonna have to rest over the weekend so that you're ready for the class on Monday, okay? So have a great weekend, relax, and I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.